Davon.
And my name is Sean.
And I'm going to be making a little choo-choo train. So first I need one set of wheels, and then I put the battery on top, and the light will be green. The light will be green. So then I put that on top of the set of wheels. Next, I take this switch or knob, and
Or whatever it is.
it's a knob, and I can turn it. So I put it right here next to the battery, and then I put the light right here, and I put the other set of wheels under. So then once I'm ready to turn it on, it'll go. It doesn't really go really good. But
You need
and here you go.
You need this.
No, look. So
I saved it. I gotta have the camera's view.
and then
He's gonna bump into the camera.
and then here's how bright the light is. Dead. It's dead.
Wait, you need the speed thing.
But you could,
There's the
and then
thing.
to add on, you could use the
Speed thing.
the cube where it tells how fast
And it makes it faster.
how fast
And
it
you
goes, and then you turn it on. You turn it on.
And it'll go faster.
What? It's not working.
Put it right under.
Turn it on.
Turn the knob.
Ready? And it's not working somehow. Oh.
I know how. Oh, you gotta put it right.
But the problem is when the light's down, it doesn't go. But when you turn the light all the way, it goes. So look, watch. It goes slow.
We need it
Faster.
under
It
there.
goes super fast. Then you put this on, and then it shows you how fast it's going. It shows you how fast it's
Oh,
going.
it's full feet.
So it's going. So right now it's going.
Hold it so I can show.
Right now it's going full speed. So there's actually it's like
This box is gonna be the barrier. The box is the
So-
barrier.
that's it for today. And please subscribe or hit the like button.
And comment. Don't forget the comments. Bye.